Good morning, dear student. I hope you are safe and healthy. Today we are again going to start the first chapter. You already learned some topic in first chapter, that is basic concept in geometry. So some concept we already clear. Now we have to go to next concept in this first chapter, basic concept in geometry, and we already know that this chapter carries maximum 8-10 marks. So now we start the next topics. Okay, now concentrate here. See here, the chapter is basic concept in geometry. So we already studied the concept point, the concept line, and the concept of distance, how to find out the distance on the point on number line. So now the next topic in this chapter, that is the concept of plane. Now what is the concept of plane? What is plane? Plane is a flat surface. It is undefined term in geometry, but it is a flat surface which extend in all direction infinitely. So this is called as plane. So this is a plane. This is one of the plane. The floor is one of the plane, and the ceiling is one of the plane. So in this plane, we can show the plane by 3 points, minimum 3 points. For example, this is a plane. We take the point P, point Q, and point R. So you can show this plane by these 3 points, and we can call this plane as plane PQR. So you can name the plane as plane PQR, or you can also name the plane by a single word, that is plane E, plane P, plane Q also. So this is the concept of plane. Now when we studied the concept of plane, we already know that the plane can show by 3 points. So these 3 points, they may be linear, collinear, or they may be non-collinear. Now the concept, what is linear and what is non-linear or collinear. So the second concept is what is collinear points and what is non-collinear points. Now the line which exists or passes through 3 points, a line which passes through 3 points, then that points are called as collinear. It means the point which exists a line, or a line passes through the same points, then that points are called as collinear points. For example, if this point P and point Q and point R having a single line, if the line passing through these 3 points, then these 3 points are called as collinear points. For example, let see, this is point A, point B, and point C. These 3 points are on a same line. That is line L. So A, B, and C are these 3 points are on line L. So these 3 points are said to be collinear. And if a point A, point B, and point C not having on a same line, if these 3 points are not on same line, then these 3 points are said to be non-collinear. Means we can't draw a single line through these 3 points. So then they are non-collinear. And if you are able to draw a single line through the 3 points, then these 3 points are said to be collinear. So this is the concept of collinear and non-collinear points. Now, so if there are linear points or collinear points and non-collinear points, now you consider this line L, and point A, B, and C, these 3 points are on line L, then these 3 points are said to be collinear. Now how you find out these 3 points are collinear? So see, if
distance AC, if a distance AC is equal to a distance AB plus BC, if these 3 points are collinear, it means the distance AC is equal to distance AB plus distance BC. This is one of the formula if they are collinear. Say distance AC is equal to distance AB plus distance BC, and the B point is in between A and C. This is called as betweenness. Means B point is in between point A and point C. So then you get this formula if they are collinear. Distance AC is equal to distance AB plus distance BC. Sometime these 3 points are collinear, but if a point B is in place of C and point C is in place of B, then what happens? Then these 3 points are also collinear, but the formula is now distance AB is equal to distance AC plus BC. Distance AB is equal to distance AC plus distance BC. This is the formula. Then also they are collinear. If you get the formula first, distance AC is equal to distance AB plus distance BC, then also they are collinear. And if you get the formula distance AB is equal to distance AC plus distance BC, then also they are collinear. And the third possibility is if the point A is in between point B and C, then what happens? They are also collinear. Then you get the third formula, that is distance BC is equal to distance AC plus distance AB. Means if you get one of the possibility from these three, then these 3 points are collinear. So you already considered these 3 points are collinear. You get three situations. One condition is distance AC is equal to distance AB plus distance BC. Or second condition is distance AB is equal to distance AC plus distance BC. Or third condition is distance BC is equal to distance AB plus distance AC. Means you get 3 conditions. Now if you get these 3 conditions, then you can say that these 3 points are collinear. If the points are collinear, you get 3 conditions. And if you get 3 conditions, any one of the conditions from these 3, you can say that these points are collinear. Means if collinear given, then you can take these 3 formulas, and if any one of the formula is given there, then you can say that these points are collinear. Okay.